to my VMware on the IBM Cloud demo. My name is Bert Jonker. I'm a cloud architect in the IBM Cloud organization in Europe. I will demo how we move virtual machines in a VMware vSwitch 6 environment in the IBM soft layer cloud. We will move VMs from a soft layer data center in London at the left to the soft layer data center in Amsterdam. Now let's start the demo. At the left, I access the VMware vCenter web portal. In there, you can see two geographically dispersed data centers, Amsterdam 03 and London 01. In Amsterdam 03, you see three physical bare metal machines, on-demand bare metal servers. In London, you see only one. In there, you see also two virtual machines. I'm going to move the Demo 1 web server from London to Amsterdam. It's a virtual machine with a web server, and I'm going to move that. The other VM at the right is the Demo 1 workstation. This is a Linux workstation on which I have a browser session to the web server at address 172.20.0.15 and a terminal session with a running ping to the same IP address. And as you can see, the latency is currently very low, and that is due to the fact that both virtual machines are running on the same host. Now let's move the web server. I select the Amsterdam data center. In the host and clusters Amsterdam data center, I select the first host. I can select any, but I select first. It then lists to me which server I selected. It gives me the option to use the local data store or the vCenter data store. I have three servers with a spread vCenter cluster. I'm going to use the vCenter data store. Then it asks me to use which network to use, and I select the virtual wire. That's my overlay network. My overlay network across the two data centers. So that enables me to move virtual machines containing the same IP address or retaining the same IP address. So I select the virtual network, which represents my overlay network, and I say let's move. Now, as you can see at the left bottom, the migration starts. It starts with a copy of 11 gig of virtual disk from London to Amsterdam. While 11 gig is a lot of data, it should not take long to copy that amount of data across the soft layer private network. The soft layer private network spreads the globe, and it comes ready to use without any additional cost or the requirement to create tunnels between the data centers. Now we're just before the end of the migration. You will see the latency at the right go up. And at the left, you will see that the vCenter finishes the migration. And at the top, left top, you will see that the machine ends up in the Amsterdam data center. All while we access the web server. So I'm still accessing the web server at the same address. The web server will update the information because it's looking at the hypervisor host. It's actually looking which hypervisor host I'm on. You can see that the latency is now a little less than 10 milliseconds. You will see at the left that it finishes. It's almost there. It's actually at the other side. And now the vCenter side, the vCenter server is updated. You see that the demo is moved to the left. You will see that this text here will be updated. Here we go to Amsterdam. It's now on the other host. And at the piece of the cherry on the cake, we will show you the picture of the most beautiful city in the world, Amsterdam. We're in Amsterdam now. Now this brings us to the end of the demo. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. You can find some more about the software-defined data center following the links on your screen. And if you want to understand how to build this yourself, find the good books on the soft layer knowledge layer. Again, thank you for watching.